long time, I'm back again with another new video with ALPHADROID. Okay, this is Android 13 based custom ROM for Redmi 7 and Redmi Y3 as well. Some of you guys still keep asking me, is Redmi 7 and Redmi Y3 both are same device or not? Yes, this is very clear. Just listen, both devices are same, so you guys can easily install Redmi 7's custom ROM to your Redmi Y3 devices. So let's get started with full review. This is the latest update for ALPHADROID. And here is the about section, and this is the user interface. Here Android version Android 13 and storage just like the MIUI. So here just click on the storage and you guys will be able to see your available spaces and details as well. And other details are like, here we have Android version, ALPHADROID logo, and in the background I'm using one kind of theme, and I will show you that how you guys can use. Okay, ALPHADROID version 1.10, and if you're using the older version, then without losing data you guys can easily install that ALPHADROID version, no problem. First of all, download that ALPHADROID, and this is a vanilla build. So if you're previously using vanilla build, then download this vanilla build and then download the same G apps, then install this custom ROM first, then install G apps, and you are good to go without losing data. That way you can easily install. And we have the kernel use here, LineageOS Plus, and which is really capable, and the performance is really great in that custom ROM. And personally I prefer this custom ROM only for the animation, and which is perfect and very fast. Then we have the system as usual. I don't want to waste your time, I just want to make the video shorter. So here all the details and gesture and everything you guys already know about that. You guys can customize that navigation system from here, and pin length can be customized. If you want to make it long, then you will get it bigger. So here we have the left edge, right edge, and the vibration quality, haptic feedback is really good in that custom ROM. Okay, accessibility, storage, safety, privacy. Okay, let me show you what we have in security option. We have face unlock, fingerprint, and app lock. Everything is fine here and perfectly working, no issues with that. Then you will get sound and vibration as usual, the regular customizations. You guys will get per app volume control. That means you can individually set volume level to different applications. Then we have the display as usual, all regular customizations available. So you will get perfect customization in that custom ROM, nothing left. Here we have the wallpaper and style as usual, the regular things as it is we have like as before. Then you guys will get network section here, and if you want to see the battery section, here is the battery section. And till now I got a good battery backup, you will not disappointed. So here we have the ALPHADROID customizations. First of all, let me introduce with you the user interface, and this is the user interface. Screen of animation, mono engine support, brightness bar customization. Okay, let me show you. I'm using that brightness bar right now, and you guys can change brightness bar by selecting any of these huge collections are there. Okay, this is up to you. Then we have the notification style. Also you can select notification style. When you will get notification, you can customize this as well. So QS panel style, which one I'm using right now, I'm using this one right now. If I want to select the Cyberpunk version 2, okay, let me show you that right now. Now it's changed, and the interesting thing is here you guys can see the brightness bar customization. This is the percentage of your brightness. Also this is available. Then you guys can change the user interface. That means which I am using now. In the background you guys can see one kind of web type. So this is it, and next Zodas, let me select and it will be changed. Okay, just give it time, it will restart. So now background already changed. So here we have that collections, you guys can select any. Then we have the setting style, NAD.AOSP, which you guys already showed I already showed you guys in setting user interface. Font style, navigation bar style, Wi-Fi icon change style, everything is available. You guys can see here floating rotation button also available. Okay, then we have status bar as well here. You guys already know, I already showed in so many custom ROMs. The same thing is here. USB based custom ROM always same. Status bar customizations, network traffic indicator, everything is fine. I have Wi-Fi problem here, that's why I cannot show you the indicator here right now. The logo style, so huge collections are there. You guys can select any of these. Brightness bar, status bar. Then we have the buttons, partial screenshots. We have huge customizations in lock screen as well. Then we have the miscellaneous. We have the gaming space and unlock high pacing games, unlimited Google Photos storage, net flip, flex spoofing. We have parallel space, which is very important. You guys can make any application as dual application by clicking in parallel space. Okay, everything is done. I don't want to waste your time by showing this. And now let me show you important thing, which is in dialer. By default we have that call recording option, auto call recording. If you want to enable that one, easily it will work perfectly, no issues with that. And the animation is really faster and accurate. Now let me show you the Google camera is working or not. Yes, this is our latest Google camera and perfectly working, no problem with this. So portrait, night sight, everything, and astrophotography, everything is working. I already checked, so don't worry about that. And the smoothness, just mind-blowing, because I love ALPHADROID custom launcher, because this launcher is really fast and accurate. If you want to change icon pack, then click here on plus button and then go to Play Store and download any kind of icon packs which you like. Then we have the memory info. Then we have here taskbar hidden and protected application. If you want to hide an application, also you can do that. So every features available in that custom ROM. Okay, let me show you CPU throttling, which is really great. CPU throttle to 88% of its max performance. So you guys, can you think of that? So I assure you guys, if you guys want to play games in that custom ROM, you can do that, no problem with. And Geekbench score, let me show you this. Single core is 262 and multi-core 1091. If you keep using, this is also very decent. If you keep using the ROM for some days, and definitely you will get better performance and better results in future. So I hope you guys understand the video, and this is really a cool video, and you guys will get Google Photos unlimited storage as well. So don't worry about that. Hope you guys understand. Thank you for watching.